Hello everyone. Today's topic diminishing balance method. It means written down value method. I have already described about in my last lectures. Okay, you see that. Now a question is given. A plant is purchased for rupees 60,000 for rupees 60,000 on April 1st, 2009. And in this question is said working life of the plant 10 years. Written down scrap value after 10 years with 20,920. Depreciation is rate कितनी दी गई है? Depreciation rate is given 10% per annum. Now what you will do here? You have to prepare a plant account by using diminishing balance method. It means written down value method. You have to use here to solve this questions. Now see this how we will do it. Always remember, when you completing any question, you solving any question, you must read first the question and understand what question is saying and what is asking. You have to do. Okay, by that way you can do it easily without any problem. Now plant account. On 1st April 2009, a plant is purchased for rupees 60,000. Entries will be passed here. Plant account debit to bank account. Rupees 60,000. At the end of the year, we have to charge the depreciation. Entry will be here. Depreciation account debit to plant account. Why? Depreciation account 2010 March 31st. Our financial year start from April to March. Okay. Now by depreciation account 10% on 60,000. 6,000. Okay. Now give the total here both sides. 60,000 balance is remain here. Y balance carried down 54,000. In next year we come 2010 April 1st to balance brought down 54,000. Again see here, no other machine is purchased. Now this machine will go ahead and ahead. 2011 March 31st by depreciation account. Now see on which value you have to give the depreciation. In straight line method you give the depreciation on original cost of the machine, but in this question you have to give the depreciation reducing value of the machine. Okay, now first we give the depreciation on 60,000. Now we will give the depreciation on 54,000. 10% on 54,000 because we using here diminishing balance method, or we say this written down value method. It means जो वैल्यू लेस हो रही है प्लांट की उस पर हमें डेप्रिसिएशन देना है एवरी ईयर. 5400, 54,000. Total is 54,000. Now what balance will be here? By balance carried down 54,000 में से 5400 लेस करो अब यहाँ से 48,600 is value is remain here. Okay. Now in next year 2011 अप्रैल 1st. अब देखो ये 31 मार्च 2011 को ईयर फिनिश हुआ और 1 अप्रैल 2011 को न्यू ईयर स्टार्ट हो गया. टू बैलेंस ब्राउट डाउन value is 48,600. Okay student. Now on 2012 अब सी हियर हमें कितने टाइम तक ये डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज करना है. इन दिस क्वेश्चन वन लाइन इज रिमेन हियर. वी हैव टू डिस्क्राइब हियर. वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर द प्लांट अकाउंट ओनली फॉर 4 years. बट मशीन लाइफ कितनी है 10 years की है. बट वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर अकाउंट ओनली फॉर 4 years. हमें 4 years के लिए मशीन अकाउंट बनाना है. ठीक है. कितने ईयर हो गए 1 2. दिस इज 3rd year. मार्च 31st by depreciation account 10% on 48,600. देखो रिड्यूसिंग वैल्यू पर आ रहा है. ओके 4860 by बैलेंस कैरेट डाउन. लेस कर दो इसमें से दिस रिमेन 2012 अप्रैल 1st टू बैलेंस ब्राउट डाउन 43,740. 2013 March 31st. See here. By depreciation account 10% on 43,740. Okay. 43,740 for this value. सी यार अब 43,740 में से 4,374 माइनस करनी है. कितनी वैल्यू बचेगी यहाँ लेस 4 रिमेन हियर. नाउ यू सी दिस 6 रिमेन 3 and what happened? What value will come here? 9. 39,366 is the balance of the machine at the end of the 4 year. Why balance carried down? Okay. If you want to show here, now you can show April 1st to balance brought down. कितना है 39,366. Okay. Now you have to complete next question by this way.